Hey guitar enthusiasts, welcome to this new rhythm series that I am creating. Rhythm is so important in guitar. I'm mainly a rhythm guitar player, and I actually became better as a guitar player when I learned a lot about rhythm when I took drum lessons. Yes, I also play the drums, but I'm mainly a guitar player. So when I learned about rhythm and feeling rhythm and hearing rhythm and really being able to understand rhythm, it made me a much better guitar player. And I always get people who ask me the question, Lauren, how do I know what rhythm to put for a song? Or how do I know what strumming pattern to use over a song? How can you hear the strumming pattern when you come up with strumming patterns for songs? So that's what we're gonna do in this series. In this series, I'm really gonna dive into kind of the basics of rhythm, but we're really gonna focus on developing timing, being able to hear rhythm, feel rhythm, sense when chords are changing in a song, knowing that, okay, there's a chord change coming up here. I can hear that because I know the timing of the song. We'll also go over some different applications and exercises. I really want to do something different with you guys here. And we'll also listen to some song examples so that I can explain to you using real songs what I would do when I'm analyzing rhythm, what I listen for, and how to go about it, even if you're just a beginner, how you can come up with strumming patterns for some of the simple songs that you're going to learn here on YouTube. So if you're looking to take your rhythm and your timing to the next level and really start understanding rhythm within the context of songs, let's start with the first lesson.